Hi guys, today is my 34 weeks appointment and later I have an ultrasound. Right honey? So let's see what is the ultrasounds for today. I'm still not, my throat is not good, so hope everything will be okay. Thank you for watching. Please, for new friends watching here, please subscribe, likes and share, and please leave comments below. And this is Rose and Joey. See you later guys.
See you later, guys.
She's got arms and feet in front of her face. 'Lay you a little flatter for a second.
That's his heartbeat.
Mm-hmm. $137.
It's normal.
Mm-hmm. £5 and 1 ounce today.
She increased 1 pound.
Yep, got those legs right in front of the face. Little head's right here.
I'm still in the up. I expect it's in the other side.
Totally covered. Little stinker. legs are stretched out though.
Baby, show your face. Mommy want to see your face.
I know it. So the weight is good, the fluid's good, your baby's moving good. Just not gonna show face today.
Yeah, she covers face.
She has nowhere to put her legs. That's why.
Yeah.